What if I told you that the bread you eat every day could either help your muscles grow stronger or quietly slow down your recovery? I get this question all the time. Which bread is actually best for muscles? The truth is, not all bread is the same. Some breads spike your blood sugar without giving your muscles the nutrients they need, while others provide lasting energy, protein, and essential vitamins that help repair and strengthen your muscles. In this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 breads you should eat to fuel your muscles, boost recovery, and get the most out of your workouts. No confusing science, just simple, honest information you can actually use. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last bread on this list is one most people overlook, yet it's a powerhouse for muscle repair. Number 1. Whole wheat bread is one of the smartest choices you can make if you want to fuel your muscles and support recovery after workouts. Unlike white bread, whole wheat bread is made from the entire wheat grain, which means it contains all 3 parts: the bran, germ, and endosperm. This is important because each part provides nutrients that help your body and muscles work better. The bran is packed with fiber, which helps regulate digestion and ensures that your body absorbs nutrients more efficiently. This fiber also helps stabilize blood sugar, giving your muscles a steady supply of energy rather than causing spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling fatigued during workouts. The germ contains essential vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, magnesium, and iron, all of which are critical for energy production, oxygen transport, and overall muscle function. When you eat whole wheat bread as part of your meals or snacks, your muscles receive a continuous stream of the nutrients they need to recover and grow. One of the biggest benefits of whole wheat bread is that it provides long-lasting energy. The complex carbohydrates break down more slowly than simple carbs, which means your muscles have fuel available over several hours. This is particularly helpful if you are exercising, doing strength training, or trying to stay active throughout the day. Another advantage is that whole wheat bread can help with weight management. The fiber keeps you feeling full for longer, which prevents overeating and supports lean muscle maintenance. When buying bread, it's important to check the label and look for 100% whole wheat as the first ingredient. Avoid breads that list enriched flour or white flour at the top, because those are more processed and provide fewer benefits for your muscles. Pairing whole wheat bread with protein-rich foods like eggs, nut butter, or lean meats can further enhance muscle repair and recovery. Number 2. Multigrain bread is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to build and repair muscles, because it combines the benefits of several different grains into one powerful loaf. Unlike single-grain breads, multigrain bread contains a mixture of whole grains such as oats, barley, flax, millet, and sometimes rye, each contributing unique nutrients that support muscle health and recovery. The combination of grains provides a broader spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body needs to repair muscle fibers after workouts. One of the key benefits of multigrain bread is its fiber content. Fiber slows down digestion, which helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, providing long-lasting energy for both workouts and daily activities. This slow energy release is ideal for preventing the fatigue that often comes after intense exercise, keeping your muscles fueled for longer periods. Multigrain bread also contains important minerals like magnesium, zinc, and iron, which are essential for muscle contraction, oxygen transport, and overall performance. Magnesium, for example, helps muscles relax after contraction and reduces the risk of cramping, while zinc supports tissue repair and recovery. Another advantage of multigrain bread is that it's usually richer in protein compared to standard white or even some whole wheat breads. Protein is a building block for muscle repair, and pairing multigrain bread with protein sources like eggs, lean meat, or nut butter can further accelerate recovery. When choosing multigrain bread, it's important to read the ingredient list carefully. Look for 100% whole grains and avoid breads with enriched or refined flours, added sugars, or preservatives, which can undermine the health benefits. A clean, nutrient-dense multigrain bread not only helps feed your muscles, but also improves digestion, supports steady energy, and ensures that your body is getting the essential vitamins and minerals it needs to recover and grow stronger after every workout. Number 3, sourdough bread is an excellent option for anyone focused on muscle performance and recovery because it is easier to digest and provides steady, long-lasting energy for your body. Unlike most regular breads, sourdough is made through a slow fermentation process using natural yeast and lactic acid bacteria. This fermentation breaks down some of the carbohydrates and gluten in the bread, making it gentler on your stomach and allowing your body to absorb energy more efficiently. For people who train regularly or have demanding workouts, this steady energy release is especially beneficial, as it helps prevent energy crashes that can leave your muscles feeling weak or fatigued. Sourdough also has a lower glycemic index compared to regular white bread, meaning it causes slower rises in blood sugar, which supports consistent fuel delivery to your muscles over time. Another benefit of sourdough is that the fermentation process produces beneficial compounds, including organic acids, that improve digestion and help your gut absorb nutrients more effectively. Since proper nutrient absorption is essential for muscle repair, this makes sourdough a smart choice for anyone looking to recover faster after exercise. Even though sourdough is often thought of as a lighter bread, it still contains protein and fiber, which help maintain energy and support muscle function. Pairing it with a protein-rich topping like nut butter, eggs, or lean meats can enhance muscle recovery and provide the building blocks your muscles need to repair. When choosing sourdough bread, look for varieties with simple ingredients such as flour, water, salt, and starter. Avoid packaged breads with added sugars, preservatives, or high sodium levels, as they can undermine the benefits. Eating 1 to 2 slices per meal is usually enough to provide energy and support muscle repair while keeping your diet balanced and focused on recovery and performance. Number 4, rye bread is a powerful option for anyone focused on muscle strength, energy, and recovery, because it provides sustained fuel and essential nutrients that help your muscles perform and repair efficiently. Rye grains are naturally high in fiber, which slows down digestion and helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, giving your muscles a constant supply of energy throughout the day. This is especially important if you are exercising regularly, doing strength training, or leading an active lifestyle, because your muscles need consistent fuel to avoid fatigue and maximize performance. Rye bread is also rich in B vitamins, magnesium, and iron, all of which play key roles in muscle function and recovery. B vitamins help convert the food you eat into energy that your muscles can use. Magnesium supports proper muscle contraction and relaxation, and iron is essential for transporting oxygen to muscle tissues, keeping them energized and ready to work. Another advantage of rye bread is its higher content of antioxidants compared to some other breads, which can help reduce inflammation and support recovery after intense workouts. Rye's dense texture and slower digestion also help you feel fuller for longer, which can prevent overeating and help maintain lean muscle mass. When selecting rye bread, it's important to look for 100% whole grain or whole rye as the main ingredient, and avoid breads with refined flours, added sugars, or preservatives that can reduce the nutritional value and slow muscle recovery. Pairing rye bread with protein sources like eggs, lean meats, or hummus can further enhance its benefits, providing the building blocks your muscles need to repair and grow. By incorporating rye bread into your meals in moderation, 1 to 2 slices per serving, you can enjoy steady energy, better nutrient absorption, and the support your muscles need to recover and perform at their best. Number 5, Ezekiel bread is one of the most powerful breads you can eat if your goal is to build, repair, and maintain strong muscles, because it's made from sprouted whole grains and legumes, which makes it extremely nutrient-dense and high in protein. Unlike regular breads, the grains and legumes in Ezekiel bread are allowed to sprout before baking, which increases the availability of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that your muscles need for repair and growth. Sprouting also reduces anti-nutrients like phytic acid, which can block mineral absorption, so your body can take in more iron, magnesium, zinc, and other essential nutrients that support muscle function. One slice of Ezekiel bread contains a significant amount of plant-based protein, which is critical for rebuilding muscle fibers after exercise and maintaining lean muscle mass over time. The fiber content in Ezekiel bread helps with steady energy release and supports digestion, making sure nutrients are absorbed efficiently and your muscles have fuel when they need it most. Because it contains a combination of grains and legumes, Ezekiel bread provides a complete profile of essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein that the body cannot produce on its own. This makes it a particularly smart choice for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to add more plant-based protein to their diet without relying on supplements. Eating Ezekiel bread with other nutrient-rich foods like nut butter, avocado, eggs, or lean protein can further enhance muscle repair and recovery. It's also important to eat it in moderation. 1 to 2 slices per meal is usually enough to provide energy, protein, and fiber without overloading your diet with calories or carbs. Incorporating Ezekiel bread into your meals ensures your muscles get the nutrients they need, supports faster recovery after workouts, and helps maintain strength and endurance throughout the day.